Welcome back, traders. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at VeChain's price action against USDC. The chart is sending some interesting signals, and two of our AI-powered predictive indicators, the Infinity Signal and the Lindsey Indicator, may be hinting that VeChain is gearing up for a potential reversal. Let's start with the Infinity Signal, which is one of the predictive tools on this chart. Right now, we can see that the green line represents short-term momentum, while the red line tracks longer-term movement. Notice the lighter gray continuation of the green line and the darker gray continuation of the red line. These extensions are forecasted projections of how momentum may evolve over the coming sessions. Currently, we're observing a projected cross forming, where the gray continuation of the green line is set to move above the red. Historically, this type of setup has signaled a potential shift from bearish momentum toward a bullish bounce. That projection gives us an early look before price confirms, meaning traders could be getting one of the first predictive alerts of a possible uptrend forming. Now let's talk about the Lindsey Indicator, another predictive model that works by identifying cyclical market turning points. Here we can see the Lindsey trident pattern identifying previous pivot zones labeled as P1, P2, and P3. These are calculated turning points based on historical price movement and volatility structure. What's key here is that the Lindsey Indicator has already marked several lower pivots, suggesting that VeChain may be near exhaustion within its current bearish cycle. Combined with the Infinity Signal's projected cross, that's an encouraging alignment. Both predictive indicators are pointing toward a potential rebound zone. Let's now cross-check that prediction with some lagging confirmations. The adaptive SuperTrend above price remains bearish. It hasn't flipped yet, meaning the broader trend is still to the downside for now. Below that, we have the Machine Learning RSI, which has been hovering near oversold territory. Notice how it's beginning to flatten out. That often happens right before a recovery phase. Since these are lagging indicators, they typically confirm trends after the fact, whereas the Infinity and Lindsey signals are designed to predict those moves ahead of time. When we combine everything, the Infinity signal shows a projected bullish crossover, the Lindsey indicator has reached multiple cyclical pivot lows, the Machine Learning RSI is stabilizing from an oversold region, and while the SuperTrend remains bearish, it's often one of the last indicators to flip during a reversal. Together, these readings suggest that VeChain might be in the final stages of its pullback, setting up for a potential short-term bounce or even the start of a trend reversal if momentum continues to build. Of course, as always, predictive indicators provide early warnings, not certainties. The key now is watching for confirmation across multiple tools. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next AI-powered crypto analysis. Thanks for watching, and trade smart.